Jai Hind children. Today we are going to read page number 65, creating a drop down list control. Children, before doing this control button, we want to know about what is a drop down list control and what is a drop down list. Children, a drop down list in the form of provides option to choose an items from the expanded list. It can be creating using select and option tags. So children, there are new two tags, select tags and option tags. From these two tags we can make drop down list on our web page. Now the options tag is used to create a list inside a select tag. The attributes are, the 5 attributes are there: name, size, multiple, value and selected. So is the name attribute, they specify the name of the fields, we have already read about it. Size specify the number of item to be visible when the user click on the drop down box. Okay, now multiple allows multiple selections, and value specify the value of the option, and by the selected option indicates that the option is pre-selected. Okay, so if you choose the selected options, so when we open our web page, so you can see that the selected contents will be displayed. Now this is the format of this drop down control button: select, then option value. Option value is a in inverted comma text or number value to be stored, and the option tag will be closed, and then select tags will be closed. So now let's start how to do it and how to apply the drop down buttons, drop down controls in our web page. Now this you can see that the HTML head, this is till now this is a basic structure of HTML, and we are going to create a form, so we have to put the form tags also. Now this times I would like to keep enter description with the heading tag h1. Okay, this br tags, now this times I will take 2 br tags because I will leave 2 lines after enter descriptions. Okay, so this time we are creating a drop down list. Let's see. So first start with, this is a select button. Select, then this is name, and here maths, because first drop down list I would like to keep maths button. Okay, and suppose you want to display maths first as a selected button, so you will also write selected, otherwise leave it. Okay, now this tag off, then you will write content as a mess, then option. Okay, first select name is not a drop down, is a drop down. Okay, drop down. Okay, now the time to option button, this option, then value of this option will be mass. This time I will start the drop down list. Now this is the time to close, then this is in maths, and close the option tag this time. Okay, now click this next button, this science, then next button computer like this. Okay, clear? Okay. Okay, so if you want to take two or more than two drop down lists, so you can. Now this time I would like to keep only two subjects, maths and science. So I will keep maths and science. Okay, now the select tags, this is the select tag, open, then you have to close this select tag by this, then the body tag off, then HTML tag off. Now this is time to save is, now save. Okay, and then name it and dot HTML. Okay, because this is must to write after file name. Now this time save this one, so you will see the save, your file will be saved. Now this is time to open. Look at this, when we open button and save our file like this, so you will see that this option will be appear like this, enter description, and this is drop down list. When we click here, so you will see that maths and science drop down list will be appear. So this is the way to creating a drop down list, children. So by this the last options, we have finished this chapter number 6. I hope you will enjoy these chapters with me, and this chapter question number 6 question answer I will provide by Google Class. Okay, you can take from it. Okay, bye bye.